Nama, nama. Grab it, as long as you don't grab it. It's for people to really think that I went out yesterday is crazy to me. I literally did my content, wiped my makeup off. First of all, let me tell y'all what I did. I washed my pump.
Be sure to like, share, and subscribe.
I changed her diaper. I fed her in both. Then she went right to sleep. As soon as she eats, she goes right to sleep. So that's why I changed her before she eats again. So that's what I did. And I put her to sleep. And when I put her to sleep, because she sleeps for 3 to 4 hours, but I wake her up 3 hours, I wake her up and I feed her again. But during my 3 hours slot, I did my makeup and I shot my content on my tripod. I washed my makeup off and I took my outfit off, literally. So that's it. Yeah, I went to go get a washing set in my nails the other day, and I left her with her aunt, my sister, and I was under the dryer crying because I was crying in the hair salon.
Why you missed her?
Yes, and I was smelling her hospital hat.
Detachment.
No, she's a Velcro baby, but I'm a Velcro mom. I was so sad, and then I was getting my pedicure, and I was crying because I was like, oh my God, was this worth leaving my baby? I was like, this not worth it. I should have just kept my toenails scratching underneath the thing, but I had to do my content too, so. And I only left for like 3 hours. Like 3-4 hours. Everything was by my house, so I did everything. And I don't know, it's just like that little bit of time that I was with my baby. I was so sad. I cannot wait to be able to bring her everywhere with me, but right now, she's very fresh. But yeah, this is what threw everybody away. I didn't think about this. My feeding bra. These are the best. This is actually the tank top. I got the tank top, and I got the actual bras, but just snip it and sip it. But yeah, I'm so addicted and attached to her, like so addicted and attached. My mom's feeding her. But yeah, that's that. We even took like a lactation class for breastfeeding. So he was teaching me like how to latch on. I'm trying this right now. Tastes like Crystal Light. That I'm drinking coconut water. I'm drinking Body Armor. Because right now I'm doing like a guaranteed 4 ounces, 2. And I breastfeed every 3 hours, and I wake her up I feed her every 2 to 3 hours, but mainly every 2 hours because she greedy. So, yeah. So I the other day was still pumping. So, and I got 3 ounces and 2 ounces. So that was 5. But I want to be able to produce like, I want to be able to get like 8 ounces, like 4 and 4.
Thanks for tuning in to Newborn Arrival.